Our next adventure brings us to Wachirathan Waterfall. One of the best things about this spot is how accessible it is. You can actually get a great view and hear the impressive sound of the falls right from where you park. Wachirathan Waterfall. Ganda. This makes it really convenient for families with kids or if you're traveling with seniors, as there are minimal stairs to reach the prime viewing areas. It was truly wonderful to see this beautiful waterfall. Looking around, I noticed there were not many people here, which made the experience even more peaceful. I wish we could just simply sit on these stairs and spend more time just watching the waterfall. It felt so good to be surrounded by nature again, like a breath of fresh air. If only I could wake up to this amazing view every single day, it would be a dream come true. Our timing was perfect too. Visiting at sunset helped us avoid the midday heat and gave us these incredibly vibrant, unforgettable views of nature. And now we're heading to our last stop, which is the Mae Ya Waterfall. With the sun setting, I really hope we make it before it gets too dark. It was less than a 15-minute drive to get here, and now we need to hurry because we still have a 10-minute walk to the waterfall before it gets dark. Mae Ya Waterfall is often less crowded than some of the more accessible waterfalls in Doi Inthanon National Park. This is partly due to its location, which requires a slight detour from the main park entrance, which means visitors can often enjoy a more serene and intimate experience with nature. If you enjoyed this video, kindly consider subscribing for more adventure. Thank you so much for watching.